You learn responsibility, you learn sharing. It's almost like you're growing up with a special needs child only. And then genuinely, my brother like, what are you doing? You're talking to a dog. I said, yeah, and she seems to understand.
Yes.
Unlike him.
Communicate to my dog in Punjabi also, and I know कि वो समझ रहा है कि तू slang समझ लेता है.
I'm visualizing your dog going दूर फिट्टे बहु.
They both were like crawling. वो जमीन पे चल रही है. There was a time, we had help at home, and he would come and say, "Madam, जमीन पे किसी ने सुसु करा है. अब मुझे पता नहीं बच्चे ने करा है कि कुत्ते ने करा है."
I opened her mouth and I sniffed.
Really?
Dude, in just the time that he's kept it, I've gone to wash my hands. She's jumped on the bed and walloped it. And it's molten hot cheese that she's just walloped and gone to sleep like, buddy, any creature can love me as much as he does.
So sweet.
मैं चल रही हूँ, मेरी तरफ देख के चलेगा.
So sweet.
So he'll walk into a wall.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm like, Panga, animal instincts. Show some. थोड़ी देर खेलेगा फिर छोड़ देगा. अब एक और दे दो. हो गया ये तो. Every day. अरे I found myself saying to him what my mom used to say to me. Panga, पैसे क्या पेड़ पे उगते हैं? I have turned into my mother. Like भगवान की मार लगे इन लोगों को. Seriously, दिल से ये बद्दुआ दे रही हूँ मैं. इनको भगवान की मार लगे.
Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. बस पासवर्ड याद नहीं रहता.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask Mummy Anything, क्योंकि मम्मी को सब पता है. मम्मी के लिए हर बच्चा बराबर होता है और हर बच्चा मम्मी का फेवरेट ही होता है. मगर अगर उस बच्चे के सॉफ्ट सी फर हो और एक टेल भी हो तो वो बच्चा बाकी बच्चों से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा प्यारा तो बन ही जाता है. जी हाँ, टुडे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर फर बेबीज़. सिंस आई एम अ पेट मॉम, आई थॉट I really wanted to have this conversation with another pet mom about our fur babies who we adore and love so much. Our little lovely pets जो हमारे बिल्कुल बच्चों की तरह ही होते हैं. आज इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए मैंने बुलाया है एक ऐसी ही मज़ेदार लेडी को जो खुद भी एक पेट मॉम है और उसके साथ साथ एक कमेडियन भी हैं. So for her love for pets, I thought I must have this conversation with her. I'm so delighted to welcome on this podcast Neeti Palta.
Thank you very much.
Hello Neeti, welcome to the show. And I wanted you here because of your love for dogs. I mean, comedy हम बहुत discuss करते हैं, but I thought, यार, let's discuss our pets because we have discussed them offline, in the green room and all of that. And I love your pictures of your dogs that you share and the very funny reels that you have with your dogs all the time. I think आपके dogs भी आपकी तरह body builder बनते जा रहे हैं. उनके हैं, दो जनों की तो बिल्कुल ऐसी body और look
पंगा की है
ना? वो है ना? So that is so cute, and you yourself are like I know, gym enthusiast. So do you inspire your dogs also to be like hatte katte? Matlab, are you very finicky about their routines and all of that?
I make sure they get enough exercise, but honestly, I think Panga makes sure I get more exercise than I want. जब थक मर के पड़े हुए वो पहुंच जाएगा अपना कोई ना कोई टॉय लेके कि खेलो के.
So sweet. Panga is the name of your dog. Okay, let's start with that. Please tell us about your pets and their names and their breeds.
I had a beagle. Her name was Socks.
Oh, how sweet.
And Punch is my Frenchie, which is Punch short for Punchline.
And is it inspired by the Punch chocolate that you've named?
That's Munch.
Oh, that's Munch. Sorry. नहीं गड़बड़ हो गई.
And Panga is Punch's son.
Oh, Panga.
हाँ.
How cute.
क्योंकि पंचलाइन से पंगा होता है.
ओह, अरे वाह. और आजकल के सिनेरियो में इससे सच्ची कोई बात नहीं है. Yes, absolutely. Those are very cute names. One name I really like for dogs is for a black lab. उसको बहुत सूट करता है. किसी और का मैंने सुना था. Laddu.
Okay.
And as a kid, I had a friend whose dog's name was Daku.
हाँ, जो वो स्ट्रीट पे भागते हैं ना, डाकू.
वो इतना क्यूट लगता है ना. I really wanted to call my dogs Daku and Laddu, but हमारे फैमिली थोड़ी अंग्रेज टाइप की, वो ऐसे अंग्रेजी नाम ही रख दिए. But how sweet. So, and how old are they?
Socks was 14 when she passed.
Oh, that's a lovely long life for a dog.
Yeah, she had a
beautiful.
long life.
That's amazing.
I thought she could have lived a couple of more years, but she disagreed. Punch is now 9. May में 10 की हो जाएगी.
Oh, lovely.
And Panga is 5.
Oh, Panga is a male. He's so
male.
Panga is Punch ka son. Oh, how sweet. Oh, very nice. So you have 2 currently at home.
Now currently.
Oh, very, very nice. How cute is that? And so tell me, how did this pyar for dogs or pets in general? Are you also fond of cats or other pets, or is it mainly dogs? Or ये प्यार आया तो कैसे आया?
I am an animal lover, mainly dogs, I would say.
हाँ.
Cats, I didn't even know, but somehow pandemic में one cat adopted me.
Oh, yeah.
I
they do
remember
that.
standing on the road and suddenly I felt something furry wrap itself around my ankle, and I'm like, पता नहीं मेरे को लगा dog होएगा क्योंकि जहाँ जाती हूँ dogs आ ही जाते हैं, अपने आप आ
Yeah,
जाते
they
हैं.
know.
You know, like,
Yeah.
so suddenly I looked down, it was a cat. And you know, for me cats are a little unpredictable. I'm not sure कि, but it just jumped into my godi yaar.
Oh.
And then it would act like a dog. If I'd go for a walk and I'd be like, I named her Mao because I'm so
Mao,
creative.
yeah.
So, and
Very original, I must say that.
so every time I was like, Mao, he would just materialize. He
Oh.
would follow me and he would all constantly try and get into the house.
Oh,
But I was
wow.
very scared that my dogs will like rip it apart because Socks was the loving kind, but these two Frenchies I don't
They
trust.
hate
So yeah.
cats. हाँ नहीं होता है वो तो थोड़ा love hate relation. Tom and Jerry तो होता है. I
Yeah.
mean I've seen videos of people who have dogs and cats and then they live happily ever after. But I don't think that's going to happen in my family also.
नहीं, पर बचपन से
You've loved dogs.
Yeah, in fact, you're also an army wife,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
as an army kid,
Yes.
we had these, you know, houses were kacha kabhi
हाँ,
kabhi, and
हाँ.
it was out in the wilderness, so you would have all sorts of wild things around
Yes.
you. And I remember my mom would bathe me in the lawn. By bathing, I mean she used to hose me down in the lawn because I would return home with all sorts of creatures in my pocket.
God.
It could be anything. It'd be
creepy
centipede,
crawlies also.
anything
Oh,
that
God.
moved. I was like, in my heart, ये मेरा पेट है, उसको उठा के जेब में डाला, चल दिए.
You're not scared of like holding them and all.
बिल्कुल उस टाइम पे तो था ही नहीं ना.
Yes,
No,
no
fear
sense of
comes.
fear.
Fear is
Later.
taught. It comes later.
It comes.
मैं सब जेब में, and mom, I think one day that she was undressing me for a bath, these crawlies came out and she was like, that's it, I'm not bathing this girl. So she would hose me down in the lawn.
Oh my God. यहीं पे पाइप मार के
इसको घर में नहीं घुसना.
ओह क्या क्या निकलेगा जेबों से. Oh God, that's crazy. So tell me about your first pet. Did you have a pet in your childhood as well?
Well, I had a pet snake.
What?
I had rescued it and my
Oh
mom
my
didn't
God.
know.
I love how this conversation is progressing towards
Yeah.
creepy crawlies. That's nice.
Okay, official pet was a dog.
Yeah.
But the unofficial one
Snake
was
कैसा
a...
है?
Yeah, I went somewhere and I saw these orderlies were beating a snake.
Oh.
And I stopped them and I don't know, I think school के curriculum में कुछ तो पढ़ा था. So I rescued the snake
हाँ.
and I put it in a old jam का tin
हाँ.
and I put that tin under my bed and then I carried it to my school the next day. I remember 3 ton में जा रहे तो सब बोल रहे इसमें क्या है, मैं कहा सांप, and suddenly 3 ton में मेरे पास
खाली हो
बैठने
गई
की
3
बहुत
ton.
जगह थी suddenly. And my idea was that I'll take the snake to my biology teacher and that somehow she'll fix it.
And don't tell me she did something else.
So I put the snake ka thing on the table and I unwrapped the polythene and she's like, what's this? And I just khola, the snake took this one last leap to freedom and plopped and kind of died on the table.
Oh my God, really?
So the school was emptied and then my dad was called. And
Oh, that's a very, very interesting story that is going down in history through this podcast.
So
That's amazing.
R.I.P. Chandu. His
उसका
name
नाम चंदू.
चंदू था.
Nice. I like the names. उसके साथ कोई पंगा तो लिया नहीं आपने, तो उसका नाम पंगा नहीं हो सकता था. Nice. So what was your then उसके बाद official first pet कौन था और कब आया?
I think dog only.
Dog only.
As a dog.
Your parents were also fond of pets?
Yeah, they were fond of pets,
Achha.
thankfully.
Ah.
But this dog didn't come. Like my dad was posted at a non-family station, so we would go visit him summer vacation that way, and the dog stayed with him. Didn't come with us to Delhi. So and that dog passed away really young because. I think उसने कोई street dog से पंगा लिया था या कुछ तो था. So that was the first loss that I got in my life.
That hit you. And that did that. You know, a lot of times I've heard that when people like that early, you know, as a child, because even I had a pet. The first pet was a white pom, which was, you know, a pup of my masi had a dog. उसने pups दिए, तो वो पहले ऐसे होता था घर में किसी के पास है तो वो हम pup लेकर आए थे. तो his name was Buzo. And he also died very young. He died at the age of 4 and उसको कुछ paralysis वगैरह कुछ हो गया था. And you know, it was very cute because I was not even in town. We all were only my grandmother was home when he felt unwell. But my grandmother, you know, she couldn't speak English or Hindi or anything. She's totally Punjabi speaking. But वो पीछे से she somehow managed to take him to a hospital and everything. And when we came back, she said कि मैं तो बड़ा कोशिश की थी, मैं बहुत उन्होंने try किया, but वो नहीं बचा कि वो she really tried, but वो बेचारा नहीं बचा, he died. But you know, that time I was like really shattered.
Yeah.
But what I've heard from more people is कि childhood में अगर आप dog को lose करो ना तो फिर आप कभी नहीं रखते हो. But मेरे साथ उल्टा था. The day I got to know that, you know, I got back and he was no more, I told my mom that day कि मम्मा हम एक और dog लाएंगे, हम एक और dog लाएंगे, please हम जल्दी लाएंगे. It never impacted me. Did you also feel that you anyway going to get, or did it like कहीं कुछ आया ऐसा?
Look, I always knew that I'll have one, but there was a long gap between Snowy and
the next dog.
dog.
Of course, that
There's a
I can
long
imagine. But you wanted to keep. You
always
sure.
wanted to keep, but my mom was like, "But I can't manage
हाँ,
alone."
वो सब बड़ा होता था, हमारे भी होता था, correct, कि वो manage कैसे होगा. But you know, I would say हम लोगों ने फिर भी as a kid, like, did you have them or did you keep dogs only after you got married? Then after that?
No. I had dogs. In fact, I grew up with one dog. Her
wow,
name was
that's
Penny.
amazing.
Her name was Penny,
So
American Spitz. And I remember इतनी सी आई थी.
And how old were you that time?
I was in 5th standard.
So that was the
or
best age,
something.
na?
And we just grew up together, man.
So cute.
वो मेरे साथ ही रहती थी.
हाँ.
मेरे लिए सुबह जैसे छिले हुए बादाम आते थे,
हाँ.
पीछे पीछे पेनी. बट वैसे भी मेरे साथ ही सो रही होती थी. कभी सुबह बिस्किट्स मिलते थे
हाँ.
with my milk. Penny. उसका भी उसका शेयर था.
Wow.
And she was a very smart dog, very
So
intelligent.
Sweet. Yeah.
And then I still remember. So Penny, you know, it's so weird. You're talking to your dog all the time,
yeah,
right? And the dog and you are communicating.
Yes.
And I remember when Dad was posted at Ambala, at one point, so I had Penny, then I had rabbits,
Acha.
I had bajrigars,
Acha.
I had goldfish, and I had turtles.
Wow, that's a lot of pets.
And I remember my dad used to answer the phone saying Paltazak. He was like, और क्या लेके आएगी तू? जो होता था मैं ले आती थी. And
oh, you got all of them.
I had
Oh
everything.
my
कहीं
God.
कोई गिफ्ट दे देता था, कोई कुछ हो जाता था.
Amazing.
The turtles, I remember किसी के पता नहीं बर्थडे गिफ्ट के रिटर्न गिफ्ट was the छोटू turtles.
And वो आपस में सारे coexist करते थे.
सारे
happily.
अपने अपने वो थे. And I remember in the evening we would let the rabbits out. You know, they'd play in the lawn and Penny would chase them around and they'd have great. And I remember talking to Penny like. That's the first moment I realized that I think that she and I talk. But the rest of them are dumb animals. It was a moment, you know, like I remember telling her, listen, those rabbits are my pets. So, you know, as the member of the household, you have to take care of them.
Don't eat them.
वो खाती खूती नहीं, I was just initially था कि भाई don't hurt them or something. But then I saw she was playing. And then genuinely, my brother like, what are you doing? You're talking to a dog. I said, yeah, and she seems to understand.
Yes.
Unlike him.
I agree. I also talk to dogs a lot, and especially when you're alone.
They understand, yeah.
They understand, and they look at you and they'll make expression, and the ears will also go. They'll twitch and all that. I mean, they know what you're saying. Like,
absolutely.
I can communicate to my dog in Punjabi also, and I know कि वो समझ रहा है कि तू की कर रहा हूँ तू है, and he knows कि he's done something wrong, कि कुछ हट जाएगा, पीछे चला जाएगा. So वो समझेगा यार, वो पंजाबी में सब slang समझ लेता है.
I'm visualizing your dog going दूर फिट्टे बहू.
दूर फिट्टे. That's a good one. दूर फिट्टे बहू. वो दूरपट्टे बाबू है बिल्कुल. वो तो मैं तो पूरा कम्युनिकेट करती हूँ उसके साथ. पंजाबी, हिंदी, इंग्लिश सारी चलती है हमारी. तो I agree with you completely that they, you know, they understand. And you know, the beauty is that you said you grew up with your dog. That also I've seen, like, मैंने as a childhood, I think मेरा तो थोड़ा later stage पे आया था when I was like in 10th 11th we got the other dog. But I've seen that with my daughter. So when my younger one was born, she was just about 6-7 months old जब हमने अपना black lab लेके आए थे as a pup.
Okay.
हाँ. And it was the cutest thing to see, Neeti. They both were like crawling. वो ज़मीन पे चल रही है. वो there was a time, you know, we had help at home, and he would, you know, come and say, "Madam, ज़मीन पे किसी ने सुसु करा है. अब मुझे पता नहीं बच्चे ने करा है कि कुत्ते ने करा है." I'm like, okay. And they both will be sitting next to that puddle, so you actually don't know who's done it. So we're like, okay, fine, go check. And then she would. वो ये children have no sense of fear. तो वो उसका खाना हम डालते थे. She would actually, when he would eat his food and drink water, I've actually seen my daughter go and try to drink water like the dog.
वो एकदम
like, फिर हाथ तो धो आती थी उसमें. And my dog was actually, as he was growing up pups, you know, he would actually start getting scared of Zara because Zara would crawl and she would bite his ears. उसकी बेचारे की चू निकल आती थी. Kids are cruel also ना, उनको पता भी नहीं कि हम किसी को hurt कर रहे हैं. वो उसके कान ऐसे जो अनुजा चू. फिर वो बेस्ट था जब सुबह उठती थी ना अपने कॉट से, पोलो को पता चल जाता था कि she's woken up. He would quickly go and hide under the bed. She was like the monster.
But you know, that's how dogs learn.
Yes.
When they grow up, like when they grow up with their siblings, and I mean other dogs, wo jo play, when they are playing,
correct,
it's you know, they learn how not to bite too hard, because if they bite their sibling, the sibling bites them, and then they learn that way कि अच्छा कम pressure में करना.
हाँ, they do that.
So it's a fact.
वो आपके घर वालों को हमको प्यार से वो
हाँ,
करते
वो
हैं,
gentle करके छोड़ देंगे. They learn, that's how they
give you
learn.
that threat कि see, I'm warning you, अब इससे ज़्यादा पंगे मत लो.
Correct.
But yeah, I think kids growing up is the most amazing thing.
Yeah.
You learn so much from a dog.
That's
I'm sure
true.
you've had your stories. है ना?
You learn responsibility, you learn sharing. It's almost like you're growing up with a special needs child only.
Yes.
You know, so
That's
you
so
learn
beautifully
that,
put.
listen, it's a fact. Then
Yeah.
suddenly you become a better human being with another animal around. It's a
so
fact.
agree. You become so much more compassionate.
Absolutely.
And did you also, like, हमारे घर में तो my mother was very clear because she was not that fond of dogs. My dad was fond of, but she said कि आ रहा है तो फिर नहलाना धुलाना
सब तुम्हारा है.
तो आप करते थे?
So हमारे केस में क्या हुआ था? Dad was posted somewhere when we got Penny, and my grandfather was rabidly against dogs, like rabidly, like गंदे होते हैं ये वो all. And दादाजी रहते थे दिल्ली में. So I remember one break he was coming to Secunderabad, and we were all very paranoid कि oh no, we haven't told him about Penny yet, and वो आएंगे क्या होगा. We were all very stressed out. And then he saw Penny, and usually like he was like तुम लोग पागल हो, like unhygienic है वो. He was very upset with us. And then one morning I woke up and I heard oh. I'm like क्या हो रही है? बाहर निकल के देखा. So my grandfather used to sleep in the drawing room. Or he'd gone for an early morning walk. Room तो उनका था. तो Penny must have followed him around. And suddenly my grandfather, he's got his sheet. वो ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. And Penny is jumping up and catching the sheet, and they're playing together.
So they bonded. How sweet.
They fell in love.
हाँ, they resist नहीं. एक बार घर में आ जाए ना, I don't think कि कोई resist कर सकता.
I have the same story. Like with Socks. You know, Socks was the friendliest beagle on the planet, and dogs also sense who likes them, who doesn't.
They definitely, they know.
Okay, and I remember we were doing improv. We were practicing improv at my place, and tab tha Amit Tandon, Abhijit Ganguly, and Zakir. The three of us and I, we were the improv gang or whatever.
Okay.
And I think Nishant Tanwar bhi tha.
Okay.
हाँ, Nishant bhi tha. So Penny would go to Socks would go to everybody, and Zakir na thoda हिचकिचाता था. Like he was a little not sure and all that. वो सिर्फ जाकिर के पास जाती थी. सिर्फ जाकिर के पास. So एक बार हो गया, दो बार हो गया, and I've never really tied up my dogs. But I was like यार वो you know interfere होता है in the rehearsal. तो मैंने उसको ना कुछ खिलौने देके अपने रूम में कर दिया था. You know, third day Zakir comes home and he's like आज वो दिख नहीं रही. उसको इतना अच्छा लगा कि मेरे को आके मेरे को मिलती है. He also fell in love.
So sweet. See, होता है. एक बार वही कह रही हूँ आपकी vicinity में आ जाए. I also have a very close friend who was paranoid about dogs, like paranoid.
Right.
I mean, now it's come to that she, because I've always had dogs, so she knows कि हर के घर जाना तो dog तो है ही. You met her, my friend Risha, who was there, Hana?
Yeah.
So now it's come to that कि she reached a stage where she was like, I think I want to keep a dog. But uska, of course, logistically issue, it was not working out. But she came to that, that I think I'm ready to keep a dog, you know, because I think now I like them and all that. उसके साथ तो बहुत भयंकर कहानियां भी हुई. I have to share one story. When I got married, my in-laws had the hugest lab I've ever seen. Yeah. He was a black huge. मतलब वो इतना था कि वो कहते हैं हम फिएट में उसको कहीं लेके जा रहे होते थे ना, तो लोग ऐसे गाड़ी में रुक रुक के बोलते थे कि ये कुत्ता है कि भालू है. तो कहते हैं हम कह देते हैं कि ये भालू है. So once Risha came to my house when I got married, and उसकी फेवरेट जगह होती थी मार्शल की ना, उसको जब गर्मी लगती थी वो बाथरूम में कहीं जाके, वो डॉग्स को होता है ना ठंडी जगह में. So Risha had come to my house for lunch or something, and then she went to the loo, and then she came back and she was like red in the face. I said क्या हो गया? She said मैं तो चली गई, मैं जाके बैठ गई, जैसे दरवाजा भी बंद करके मैं बैठी, मैंने रियलाइज करा आगे तो मार्शल सो रहा है. She's like, by that time, I was already sitting and I could not get up. And she's like, Marshall is sleepily looking at me and I'm looking at him. I'm like, and she said, मैं तो हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ती रही. मैं क्या Marshall मैं तो हनुमान जी की भक्त हूँ. मुझे कुछ मत करना. Then she came out and it was very funny. So yes, I think एक बार घर में आ जाता है तो या friends में या close में तो वो प्यार तो I think बढ़ ही जाता है.
Yeah.
है ना?
True.
So but with my dogs I've seen, with my children I'm saying my dogs, वो same
एक ही बात.
अब एक ही बात होती है. But मेरे बच्चे, हमने भी जब dog रखा था अभी recently जब इस कोको को adopt किया था हमने, तो मैंने बड़ा बोला था कि भैया तुम लोग करोगे नहाना धोना, बट आजकल बच्चे काफी निकम्मे हैं, नहीं करते.
नहीं.
वो उसका भी मैं ही करती हूँ.
नहीं, हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी गई. You will walk the dog.
सब मेडिसिन खिलाना, डॉक्टर, सब एवरीथिंग हम ही रिक्शे लेके हम चले जाते थे, सब करते थे. हमारे बच्चे वो बस वो खेलने वाला ना ऊपर से, वो जो होता है ऊपर से देसी. अच्छा, टेल मी, you just said that when Zakir came to your house you felt कि हाँ उसको कर दो. What do you think about disciplining dogs? And you know, like I'm also not a fan of tying up dogs. So when ऐसे जो कई लोग आते हैं जो बिल्कुल इतना डरते हैं कि कुर्सी पे चढ़ जाते हैं,
I have friends like
है ना?
हाँ.
तो उनका like do you get like secretly irritated क्या है, अब मेरे को बांधना पड़ेगा?
I have to admit, so there's a friend of mine from my gym. He's a Sardar and he's a big, bulky, muscled Sardar. And Socks was like 2-month-old beagle.
Oh God.
मेरी palm में fit आती
So
थी.
sweet.
He came home. Socks came out to meet him and he almost jumped off a first floor balcony. So
My God.
I was very entertained, but no, like, I have some other friends unfortunately who are so scared कि वो घर में घुसेंगे नहीं, वो ऐसे हो जाएंगे. So you know, you saying कि नहीं काटता doesn't help.
Doesn't work.
Because
Psychologically,
yeah,
they are
if you are scared,
fearful.
you're scared.
You're scared.
So I have done this, like I've tried to compromise. I've tried to put them in my room, the friends, not the dogs. no. The dog. But sometimes I've tried to tie the dog to the sofa
Chair.
I'm sitting on so that they are, you know,
Stay close to
within.
you.
Yeah, so the dog also feels comfortable and the friend
Yeah.
also I've tried to compromise some way or the other.
Yeah. No. I think करना पड़ता है ना, इतना तो discipline करना पड़ता है.
But
yeah, that I agree. कि you know, you have to train your dog. I mean, it's your responsibility. अब आजकल most of these colonies वो होता है ना pick up, है ना?
But यार करना चाहिए, पता है, in my colony also a lot of people were objecting, and I get it. Like if you're going out on an evening walk, nobody wants to step into dog poo. Okay, so I think it's important to just have that poop scoop. We also actually pay separately for a guy who comes and cleans up the colony every day.
अच्छा,
वो
very nice.
we pay, वो दिन में 2 बार आके करके जाता है. Because a lot of times, you know, you send the dog out with your help. So then the help may or may not pick up as diligently as you would. So yeah, I mean, come on, you have to be responsible.
Yes, you have to be responsible.
It's
And
fair.
I think that is very important because only then, you know, then others also start that liking for the animal and everything. Otherwise लोगों को फिर वही होता है कि है कुत्ते रख लेते, लोगों कॉलोनी के WhatsApp ग्रुप्स में चल नहीं रहा होता.
Tell me about it, man. I've had names. ये खिलाती है कुत्तों को, ये.
अच्छा चलता है. Yeah, feeding the street dogs जो होता है थोड़ा.
Yeah.
वो भी every.
But those dogs are neutered. They are
Yeah.
vaccinated. You know, there is another girl in the colony. I can't take credit for it. She makes sure each one of them is tagged.
Oh, how nice.
And you know, everything. And Rocky, it's one dog.
Yeah.
He had a punch off for coming under cars. I don't know कितनी बार, poor thing. So उसको I remember he was under one car. I got back from the gym. वो किसी की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी कि गाड़ी के नीचे से उसको.
अच्छा खींच लो.
No, he was hiding out.
Oh.
क्योंकि someone had hit him. Hit his,
thing.
run over his paw. तो वो एक तो injured animal, nobody wants to.
Yeah.
And I remember crawling on all fours and coaxing him out and then making sure he went to the vet and stuff.
Yes.
So
no, but these days I think that's also nice that people are very aware of looking after the street dogs also अपने area में जो होता है. It's nice because I think neutering them is very very important.
Yes,
एक बार वो कर दो ना तो फिर वो
and vaccinating
because safety at the end of the day या senior citizens जा रहे हैं, बच्चे खेलने जा रहे हैं, वो सब ध्यान भी हर area में रखना जरूरी है. I agree with that. And okay, so tell me, have you traveled with your pets? Do you deliberately go on holidays कि यहाँ हमारा pet जा सकता है? हाँ?
So as a kid, because dad was obviously army transferable job, तो बेचारी Penny used to be dragged everywhere. But we never traveled by air because of her. So we always took the train.
Yes.
And तब भी train में भी कभी-कभी they were allowed, but very rarely
हाँ.
were they allowed in the compartment. They had to be in the cargo.
Oh yeah.
So every station, my brother and I would get out, make a dash for the cargo, make sure she
Make
was
sure.
okay, make a dash to come back.
So sweet.
Sometimes she needed to be walked on the
Yes.
platform, and you know my mother was constantly paranoid कि बच्चे छूट जाएंगे किसी
हाँ.
स्टेशन पे.
कुत्ते आ जाएंगे
कुत्ते
और
आ
बच्चे रह जाएंगे.
My current dogs are so hyper.
हाँ.
Just to put them in the car and to take them to the vet is
Oh.
such a chore. They want to get in,
हाँ.
but they'll be like, they will work up with such a foam.
अच्छा.
They'll be panting, ye, wo. And I feel so bad. I want to be able to go to a
हाँ.
park, take my dogs. I cannot till I have driver and one more person with me, or I have to somebody driving and me sitting
Oh,
पीछे.
because they are too hyper in the car.
हाँ वो नहीं
हाँ,
टिकते
नहीं
यार. तो मैं and you know I see so many people putting out their videos कि कुत्ते को यहाँ ले गए वहाँ ले. I feel like Camino, I want to take you to this.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. नहीं, I know हमारे भी मुझे याद है बचपन में वो होता था यार बेचारे डॉग को उसमें जाते थे या फिर वो ट्रक में भेजना पड़ता था सामान के साथ.
हाँ.
That was also फौजी.
Oh yeah,
That
yeah.
was the worst one.
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
सबसे क्योंकि वो पहुंच के इनवेरेबली वो बेचारे बीमार हो जाते थे क्योंकि
हाँ.
इतनी गर्मी मिट्टी का
गर्मी, anxiety, all of that.
बेचारे 4 दिन लगा के पहुंचते
हाँ,
थे.
नहीं मैंने ट्रक में कभी नहीं भेजा.
नहीं,
हमेशा वो
हाँ, ट्रेन
always.
अब तो रूल चेंज हो गया ना. नाउ इफ यू बुक अ एसी फर्स्ट क्लास द कंप्लीट कंपार्टमेंट यू कैन कीप योर डॉग विद यू इन दैट.
बहुत बढ़िया.
तो हम लोग अब
बहुत
इनफैक्ट
बढ़िया.
हाँ टिल वी हैड पोलो माय लैब बट नाउ ही इज पास्ड अवे व्हेन वी ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम जम्मू टू गोवा बाय ट्रेन. 2 दिन की जर्नी थी बट वी स्पेसिफिकली टुक द जर्नी बिकॉज वी कुड टेक हिम विद अस.
करेक्ट.
तो उसमें बस होता है कि आपको पूरा कूपे बुक करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
चाहे आप एक जना है चाहे 2 जना है. तो हमारे
तो ठीक है तुम्हें और कोई चाहिए
अरे
भी नहीं.
बहुत अच्छा था. हम
बहुत
पूरे
सही.
4 जने थे. वी बुक द होल एसी फर्स्ट क्लास कूपे.
Right.
और जहाँ ट्रेन रुकती है आप उसको घुमा दो. बस वो होता था यू नो विद लैब्स दे आर सो ह्यूज.
Yeah, you
ऑफ
have
कोर्स
to
ही
be
सेड कि
walking them
एक
and all.
सीट तो मेरी है.
हाँ करेक्ट.
तो ही वुड जंप अप ऑन द एंड ही रिफ्यूज्ड. मैंने कहा तू, मैं उसकी दरी वरी लेके मैं कहा तू नीचे बैठ जा भाई.
ना.
वो पूरा ऐसे पसर के खिड़की से देख के कि देखो अपना तो बिस्तरा सेट है, अपना अपना तुम लोग देख लो, जिसने जमीन पे सोना है सो जाओ. My younger one, she's like, it's fine, mama. He should be comfortable.
Yeah.
He should be comfortable.
Yeah.
वो दोनों चिपक के सो रही है, एक कुत्ते के पैरों में सो रही है. But it was really cute. So that rule has changed, which is very good, I think, for traveling for dogs.
I think Air India also allows on some
yes.
flights,
No,
but
no, no.
it's the weight of the crate and the animal
Yes.
together should be 7 kg.
I have traveled
So,
recently.
नहीं होता ना.
I took our dog Coco Beagle to Leh. So we took him to Leh.
But वो तो बड़ा है.
हाँ तो 32 kgs allowed है.
हाँ.
तो उसका
32 allowed है.
32.
उसने 7 बोला.
नहीं नहीं 7 is if you carry your dog with you in your main cabin. अगर
Oh, you're
जहाँ
talking about cargo.
हाँ
Okay, okay.
हाँ डॉग कार्गो, बड़ा डॉग कार्गो में जाना पड़ता है. That is a little risky.
Yeah, I
But,
can't.
हाँ, I know.
बड़ा डर लगता है. You
Air-
don't know what's happening to the
Air
dog.
India
there.
is the only flight in the country which पहले jet होता था, but अब Air India is the only flight in India which is allowing to travel with your pet. छोटा पेट 7 किलो with this thing आप अपने साथ रख सकते हो सीट पे. और अगर बड़ा है 32 kg again with the weight of the crate has to be checked into
Yeah,
the
yeah.
cargo.
Yeah.
तो हमने भी took the chance because ले की फ्लाइट सिर्फ 1 घंटे की थी. तो हमने चांस ले ली. बट हाँ आई कैन टेल यू कि मेरा दिल ऐसे धक धक. मैं तो फ्लाइट में चढ़ के आई टोल्ड द एयर होस्टेस प्लीज टेल द पायलट दैट देयर इज अ यू नो डॉग इन दिस थिंग. सो वो टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल वगैरह सेट करके रखे एवरीथिंग. सो शी सेड हाँ मैम सब करा हुआ है. बट या माय हार्ट वाज you know literally all the throughout the moment I got down. मैं सीढ़ियों से उतर रही थी और वो ले का एयरपोर्ट छोटा सा तो नजर आ जाता है कहाँ पे सामान उतरा है. So literally वो लाइक आ गया. I could see कि वो क्रेट उतरी है. फिर मेरे को दिख गई उसकी टेल घूमती है. मैं कहा ठीक है सब ठीक है सब ठीक है. बेचारा ऊपर से acclimatization and all.
Yeah.
Tell me some story that you remember of you know childhood story of your pet or now with your pets, something that is always you know this is why we have pets in our lives.
This is why. Actually, I have stories of why do we have pets in our lives.
ठीक है वो भी चलेगी. और डिस्ट्रक्शन वाली स्टोरीज तो हो. बताओ वो तो बहुत ही मजेदार होती है.
Like socks had a penchant for toilet paper.
Obsessed. Oh, beagles को होता है ये.
जब बाहर देखो वो ऐसे कॉरिडोर है मेरे घर का.
हाँ.
वहां से यहाँ तक खींचा हुआ है. You can't even roll it back.
You can't roll it back.
तो वो तो बहुत हुए हैं.
Disaster stories.
Yeah, like
कभी हुआ है कि आप घर छोड़ के गए हो और फिर वापस आए हो तो पूरा
oh yeah,
नहस.
Even now Panga,
Really?
he actually expresses
grown
his
up.
angst. He's grown up.
हाँ.
But जैसे आज भी मैं सुबह उसको I didn't play with him.
हाँ.
I've bribed him with a new toy and come in the hopes
क्यों ठीक रहेगा?
पर उसका if he gets
भरोसा नहीं
upset,
है।
he will go and squirt. छोटे छोटे अपने वो P marks हर जगह
हाँ,
छोड़ेगा.
हाँ।
Even now, at 5, I don't know. I've talked to dog whisperers. I've talked to
Inside
behaviorists.
the house?
He will, and like I will find little pee on my shoe,
अच्छा।
in my loo, in my bedroom near my something,
अच्छा,
near my.
छोड़ेगा थोड़ा
वो
सा,
हर जगह ना,
करता है।
that's his way of expressing कि तू मेरे को छोड़ के गई.
Oh.
He gets angry and that's how he expresses himself.
But only when you go out.
हाँ,
or
like
whenever
when he's feeling
upset.
neglected.
Oh, otherwise नहीं.
हाँ, so even now, like the moment I pull out my suitcase,
हाँ.
वो उसकी ना उसकी आंखों में दिखता है. Even punches like.
आंसू. Do they sit inside the suitcase? Coco would do that when I open the suitcase.
Socks has packed herself in.
He would sit inside the suitcase and look at you like, okay, let's go.
Socks had a thing of unpacking without telling me.
Oh.
So जैसे आपका suitcase खुला हुआ है,
हाँ.
you're getting things, you're putting things and all that. One day I went for a corporate show to Goa. Formal dress.
हाँ.
एक जूता missing. So I normally wear t-shirt and jeans and sneakers.
Oh, and you're already reached that other
I
city.
was in Goa and
Oh,
that's where
yeah,
I
yeah.
found one shoe missing.
My God.
Now I'm wearing a formal dress and my formal shoe is missing. I can't wear my sneakers underneath. So I basically went bare feet on stage.
Really?
And I did some stupid opening joke about when in Goa type. I said, the bottom half is already on the beach, guys. So let's get this started.
They must be like, oh, हम भी इतना गोवा के मूड में नहीं होते.
तो अब मैं जब भी पैक करती थी, बिफोर लीविंग एक बार सॉक्स का बेड प्रॉपर्ली चेक करो, उसमें आपकी कोई ना कोई चीज मिल जाती.
निकाल देता था.
वो चुपचाप से कुछ रख लेती थी.
अच्छा.
Every
मतलब
single
गुस्सा
time.
अपना वैसे दिखाती थी कि
हाँ.
तुम जा रहे हो.
हाँ.
How cute,
Yeah.
यार.
So now
So
with these
intelligent.
other two, I always double check my suitcase. They don't pull things
How
out, thankfully. So,
Wow. Amazing. और आपने like have you taught also a lot of things, like how much have you trained your dogs? Like are they like those वो dog show वाले doggy हैं आपके, या फिर वो बिगड़े हुए
I kept
घर
a
के बिगड़े
trainer.
हुए? हाँ.
So socks learned वही sit and वो सब था,
हाँ.
but most importantly stay
हाँ.
and all. But she was a sniffer dog, right?
हाँ.
So
Yeah,
beagles are
yeah,
sniffer
yeah,
dogs.
Yeah.
I've got stories like I've come back from my gym and the cook has put food on the bed. I have just gone to wash my hands and come back. बस उतनी देर में, and my cook is very forgetful. तो मैंने कहा यार टोस्ट कहाँ है? I'm waiting. He's like वो रखा तो वो equity जो होते हैं ना, equity with melted cheese inside which is very hot.
Yeah.
So I'm like बन रहा है. I said कहाँ है? He's like रखा था. I said यार तू भूल गया, जाके चेक कर, उसी में होगा. He goes, he's like नहीं मैंने रखा है दीदी. Then I look, socks कोने में, sorry ऐसे. So I opened her mouth and I sniffed.
Really?
Dude, in just the time that he's kept it, I've gone to wash my hands. She's jumped on the bed,
And
walloped
gobbled,
it,
हाँ, they
and
gobbled
it's
it.
molten hot cheese that she's just walloped and gone to sleep like.
I was never here.
So I was laughing because now even if I have tandoori chicken on my bed,
You have to be.
my Frenchies who are so naughty and all, they will never touch it.
Oh,
It's their thing. They will never touch it.
Drool कर रहे हैं.
No. So अब मैं उनको ऐसे सिर्फ दो कभी-कभी मैं बाथरूम से बिना देखे ही बोलती हूँ no. So they're like, how did she see?
How did she see?
This is magic. So I'll come back and like if this is the food, they'll be sitting like this.
क्या तेरी आँख.
But they won't
So
touch it. But that beagle till the end,
He would do that.
she would jump. She'd be like consequence देखी जाएगी.
देखी जाएगी. खा लेने हैं. टिड्सा क्या? But would they do that in front of guests also? Like आपने कुछ रखा है और वो
Socks would. In fact, एक बार मैं पुणे से आई थी. वहाँ के famous Shrewsbury biscuits, and they come in a dabba.
I know.
Okay, and they're
बड़ा
in
सा.
my hand carry. The dabba and the hand carry is on the bed.
हाँ.
I come back. She had learnt to open the zip with her nose.
My God.
And I'm like, no. And I run. She chewed through the dabba, chewed through the packaging, and she's chewed through half the dabba of Shrewsbury, and she's in a sugar coma. And I'm like, oh my God.
My God, that's crazy. And those are very heavy biscuits.
You're talking about biscuits. I remember
God.
once that one movie that I wrote,
Huh.
my director was sitting in the
Huh.
lounge and we had an argument over a scene. Okay, so we took a break and he had this habit of वो कोई पान अपना पैक करा के लाते थे, स्पेशल कुछ सादा टाइप समथिंग. तो वो ऐसे डाल के ना मेरे को ऐसे देख रहे हो खा रहे. तो I'm like, I can't stand him right now. I will calm down. I go to my room and I see my dog going meow meow. So I'm like, I worked too hard. What is going on? And then, to my horror, I realized he had put his backpack on the floor.
अच्छा.
She had opened his zip with her nose. She had pulled out the sada pan. And she was literally sitting in her bed, pawn, chewing that pan. I half expected her to go, okay.
उसका लाल तो हो गया होगा मुंह.
I'm like, how are you eating this?
Oh God, they would eat it. Even labs का भी कई बार होता है. They would eat everything.
Labs, beagles.
Everything. मतलब कुछ होना चाहिए जो पेट के अंदर जा सकता है. Size wise.
Very scary. Very
scary. Yeah. They do a lot. हमारा तो एक बार and my lab would वो उसका थोड़ा होता था कि वो गेस्ट के आगे भी हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ता था. तो my friend was visiting and I'd serve chocolate cake ऐसी टेबल जैसे पड़ा होता है. मैंने रखा है busy chatting और मैं as usual मैं ध्यान नहीं दिया. busy chatting में था. And she's like, ये तू केक मेरे लिए लाई थी कि अपने कुत्ते के लिए? I was like, and I look. वो और he's not even like trying to shy away.
No.
Because he was so big. उसका गर्दन यहाँ है, वो टेबल यहाँ है. तो वो आराम से ऐसे बैठ के खा रहा है, मुझे देख रहा है कि thanks for putting it at this low level. It was crazy. उसको हमें parties में कुछ होता था, हमें we had to keep him tight because he was embarrassing to the core. If somebody
socks तो would go and sit सब लोगों के सामने, she'd be like, तो कोई दे ही देता था उसको.
And with labs ना, he wouldn't do chunchu, but he would drool.
हाँ.
And he would drool like
and hypnotize
वो इतनी लंबी वो लार टपक रही है, वो saliva.
Right.
And look at you with those eyes कि ये लोग मुझे खाना देते नहीं बिल्कुल, मुझे बहुत टॉर्चर करते हैं. And they're like, आपके इसके कुत्ते को खिला दो, भूखा लग रहा है.
बहुत पेनफुल होता है.
तो उसको तो हमें बांधना पड़ा, बहुत embarrassing होता था. Oof, it was crazy. But you know, I want to share one story. It was like I was telling you, an emotional story. मेरे बहुत साल पहले ऐसे बोलूँ जैसे पता नहीं पिछली सेंचुरी में, when I was in 11th 12th, एक मेरे ग्रैंडफादर किसी स्ट्रीट डॉग को ना, वो गद्दी कुत्ता टाइप नहीं होते वो जलंधर में, वो ऐसे कुछ कोई मिल गया उनको, उसको लेकर आ गए and हमने उसको पाला वाला. I was thrilled. तब हमारे पास कोई डॉग नहीं था. I did everything. I think 1 year उसको अब डॉग, बट वो स्ट्रीट डॉग की थोड़ी सी वो होती है कई बार ना मेंटालिटी उसकी तो थी कि वो भाग जाता था. गेट खुला रह जाए तो बस भाग जाए. हमारे घर की जैसे हाफ ऑफ दिस वॉल्स थी. मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने लिटरली घर की दीवारें ऊंची करी. अरे वो उसके ऊपर से भी चढ़ के. सो ही वाज लाइक दिस वेरी फ्री स्पिरिटेड एनिमल. सो फाइनली वो एक दिन आया कि वो ही एक्चुअली रन अवे एंड वी कुडंट फाइंड हिम. बहुत ढूंढा, हमें नहीं मिला. So anyway, we forgot about it and I was like upset and all, but चलो ठीक है, मैं साइकिल पे बहुत जा के देखा, नहीं हुआ. After 1 month, मेरा बर्थडे था.
Right.
On 16 September, Neeti, my grandfather had gone for a walk. He would go every morning, and when he came back at 8 o'clock, he said, "देख मैं किसको लेके आया हूँ." I said, "किसको?" And it was the dog. His name was Jimmy. And he said, "देख Jimmy आ गया मेरे साथ, मेरे को मिला, मेरे साथ चलने लग गया." I was thrilled कि आज मेरा birthday है कि my dog has come back. But Neeti, he only stayed 24 hours. Can you beat it?
फिर भाग गया.
He spent the day with me. Soya.
So
he didn't
sweet.
try to go out. He spent पूरा खेले वेले बाहर garden में, everything he happily he did.
हाँ.
Next morning, रात को भी सोया, खाना वाना खाया. Next morning, he jumped off the wall.
Oh yeah.
And I literally saw him jumping off, and I thought of running after him, but I was like, नहीं.
जा सिमरन, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
But I never forget that.
Yeah.
I love that so much. You know, this is that whole bonding with dogs. But
this has happened with socks. So, see, beagles, they catch a scent and then they go after the scent.
yes, and they're
Then
very
they can't
difficult to
even
come back.
hear you.
Yeah,
can't. You're calling them. They genuinely. I remember I was in a client meeting and full presentation चल रही है and I get a call saying दीदी socks भाग गई. I freaked out. मैं तो मीटिंग छोड़ के आ गई and they're like, everybody there was like, अब तू कहाँ ढूंढेगी? You're in houses. How?
By the time you reach.
I said I can't be here. You understand? I have to be there. मैं सब छोड़ छाड़ के भाग आई and I'm hunting in the colony. I'm yelling. I'm crying. And then thankfully one of the colony watchmen, because he'd seen me walk socks often, he saw her wandering. He's like, वो शायद वो दीदी का डॉगी है and he caught hold of her.
Oh, how nice.
So मैं जब रोते भटकते घूमी, he was sitting, वो उसके साथ मस्ती से उसके कैबिन में बैठी हुई. And then he's like, ये आप ही का है ना? I was like,
Oh
just
my God.
running away stories.
Yeah, running away and you know losing them to that thing कि वो कहाँ चले गए हैं. That is so fearful now.
And that horrible feeling, how will they fend for themselves? I understand when they look at me, I understand क्या बोल रहे हैं. कोई
सड़क पे
horrible feeling.
My beagle has no road sense.
Horrible feeling.
वो उसको road sense तो है ही नहीं. मतलब मैंने आई ट्राई टू टीच हिम रोड सेंस विद लाइक इन द पार्किंग लॉट की मैं पार्किंग से ना मैं आई टोल्ड आई हेल्प यू नो ऐसे नहीं तुम उसको उठाना सेंटर में बैठो ऐसे कोई बात नहीं जब मैं गाड़ी धीरे धीरे निकालूंगी अपने अब डर के मारे उठेगा उसको
नहीं
पता चल
उठेंगे,
जाएगा
नहीं
आई
उठेंगे।
वेंट देयर एंड ही टेलिंग मी मैडम अब तो वो गाड़ी के नीचे आ जाएगा उसको उठा लूं क्योंकि वो नहीं उठ रहा
yeah.
he has no road sense yeah
I don't
बिल्कुल ही
know.
नहीं।
So somebody asked me, what do you do? My full-time job is making sure my dogs are alive,
Alive.
every day.
I agree
Panga's like me. I'm a klutz. I'm very clumsy. वो Panga has like we have imprinted on each other so much कि उसकी नजरें literally I don't think anybody any
have-
creature can love
can
me
love.
as much as he does.
so sweet
मैं चल रही हूँ मेरी तरफ देख के चलेगा.
so
So he'll walk into a wall.
yeah
As like
Tom and Jerry.
I'm like Panga, animal instincts.
Yeah.
Show some.
show some that's why I say, all this training that people do you know I read somewhere that you can that dogs can have a vocabulary of up to 250 words
Yeah.
या हमारे तो 4 के बियॉन्ड नहीं जाते सिट स्टैंड स्टे
हाँ,
और ईट और वो भी सुनते नहीं है वो भी मूडी है
एक वो इन्वेंशन भी आ रही है ना some sort of dog collar कि you know so when the dog barks उसमें word निकलेंगे कि ये क्या what does he mean and all. मैं कहा ये collar तो मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं. Let me fool myself into thinking he's deeply in love with me and he's not saying कुछ दे कुछ दे कुछ दे कुछ दे. I'm like हाय नहीं तो देख रहा है.
so sweet that is so true but then they have such a small life it is the saddest thing I mean you know एक तो इतनी सी जिंदगी है उनकी मतलब 15-16 आई थिंक द मैक्सिमम किसी डॉग का मैंने पढ़ी थी 19 साल one dog an Alsatian a German shepherd he lived for about 19 years and somebody else's dog I think lived for 22 years I don't know if it's true or not Jennifer Aniston का मैंने देखा था 22 years her dog lived so it's very rare I mean most of the dogs 10-14 is the ideal age you know I lost a dog one at 4 one at 6 and it's heartbreaking to the core and you have lost a dog too and I'm not going to force you but if you want to share a story of how it was because I know I mean what I want to ask is does the pain ever go
No,
it never
doesn't.
goes. Yeah
I lost her 2 years ago and you know I told you so much how much she used to love food.
yeah
These last 10 days she just stopped eating and I tried to feed her all her favorite things even things that were bad for her. मैं उस पे रस्क पे बटर लगा के उसको खिला देती थी. She used to love that. She loved popcorn. थोड़ा थोड़ा मेरे हाथ से थोड़ा खा लेती थी. Then I put her on a drip. Like रोज उसको वेट के ले जाना 1.5 घंटा उसको ड्रिप चढ़ती थी फिर वो वापस आती थी. But I think on the 10th day I had her in my godi and I was like I'm just prolonging her suffering for myself. It's very selfish.
yes
So it's the toughest call you take, you know. It's like taking a loved one off a ventilator.
yes
I was like,
yes
Socks, do you want to go? Is this what
Yeah,
you're trying to tell me? And she's just lying in my godi and she's moaning and she's just like, oh, very weakly, She went in my godi. Oh man. And I remember I was so shattered. There was somebody in the gym who helped me. उसने मेरे को पता ही नहीं था क्या हो रहा है. मैं सिर्फ उसको पकड़ के बैठी थी. And they told me उन्होंने बात की and then I drove her to this place where there's a special pet crematorium.
oh really
Yeah.
oh I didn't know that in
So
Delhi
it was somewhere Sarai Kale Khan. It was very far, but
Nice.
there are some close by also. And there's a proper pet crematorium.
oh, wow
There was a proper Pandit ji. I did her last rites. I lit her pyre. I put her favorite blankie on her.
so sweet
Then next morning I went to collect her ashes.
Yes.
And then we put them in the Ganga.
yeah
Actually I didn't put them. Because the Pandit said kuch to, because I said मैं गंगा नहीं डालना चाहती. It's like too far from me. And he's like आप अस्थियां विसर्जन कर दो. So I took her ashes and I put those on the gamlas in my
home
घर. But they said घर के अंदर मत रखना तो मेरी balcony
so
में
sweet
उसकी ashes हैं. So even now, because every evening I used to sit on my chair in my balcony and look out, and Socks would sit on the साथ वाला chair. We have photos of the two of us sitting and
so
staring.
sweet
So I sometimes still talk to her, man.
yeah.
I still do.
Yeah, you do.
And she's still on my screensaver with the other two. I just can't. Like, you know how.
Same.
And when you're eating, my
yeah.
hand would always go like 4 ways, right?
4
Idhar and then तीन भूखों को. तो वो अभी भी इतनी आदत हो गई है ना कि वो दो को देखे वो तीसरा
You know.
empty space इतना it'll.
And for days you hallucinate that he's or she is around, you know.
She's
like,
around.
yeah.
I hear her voice.
You hear.
Or you know the words she used to respond to.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
And
It
I know
is.
for a fact I'll have pets, but I'll never name another dog Socks.
I can never.
I can't do
it. I can't do that too. I don't.
A
think
lot of
so.
people do because they are trying. That's their way of thinking. I
Healing.
can't.
Yeah.
It's
Me too.
Socks
उसकी
is
अपनी
socks.
personality है. Exactly. I feel the same. And
very
I've also, when I lost my black lab recently in Shimla, he was 6 years old and he also fell very sick. And हमने बहुत कोशिश करी, हमने दिल्ली में भी बात करी कि हम इसको यहाँ ले आए. But by that time the doctor said कि he's not in a shape to drive for 8 hours in a car and he'll die on the way.
God.
So he said no, वो नहीं बचेगा क्योंकि उसका he had an organ failure and some intestines में something severe. But it is so shattering and it's the toughest decision. It's the toughest thing you can see. वो भी बिल्कुल हमारे arms में he went and we buried him in our home only in Shimla behind because the girls were there with us and everything. So they did it. उसका पूरा tree के ऊपर engrave करके आए हम उसका जहाँ पे उसको उसकी favorite place जहाँ पे वो बैठता था. And yeah, I've not been able to remove his picture like you're saying.
नहीं होता यार, नहीं होता.
वो नहीं होता.
मेरे को किसी ने बोला, you know that
Yeah.
वो first 10 days somebody said
हाँ.
10 or 14 days their soul is around. You should stop crying so the soul gets
नहीं,
free.
वो कैसे करो?
Like वो उसको पता है you're miserable. Just say okay, you're
no.
free. Go meet your next life and all that. I don't know, man.
और वही
Grief.
कैसे? And हमारा तो ना वो शिमला में वुडन फ्लोरिंग वाले घर ना पुराने वो ब्रिटिशर्स वाले बंगलो. So वो लास्ट के few days तो he was unwell तो वो बेचारा टक 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 चलता था तो मुझे रात को एकदम नींद खुलती थी कि ये उठ गया है.
Correct.
तो फिर I would go behind him and see they are so intelligent that like the last 2 nights when he was so unwell like because he was vomiting blood or something or the other.
Oh God.
वो फिर भी he would go to the
Out.
door जो बाहर का he would scratch that door
कि मेरे को
मतलब बाहर कर दो मुझे.
हाँ.
और वो बेचारा इतना एग्जॉस्ट हो गया था कि इतनी ठंड थी शिमला में फिर वो बाहर ही बैठ गया एंड ही रिफ्यूज टू कम इनसाइड. मैंने बोला कोई नहीं तू अंदर कर देना जो मर्जी तू अंदर चल इतनी ठंड है. एंड तो फिर वो इवन आफ्टर ही लेफ्ट कई दिन तो मुझे वो उसकी आवाज ना रात को आई वुड फील ही इज वॉकिंग इन द हाउस. यू फील दैट सो मच एंड it's like we had a black lab. Okay, he was a black lab. I don't know if you believe in that. एक black dogs का बोलते हैं ना कि
होता है कुछ.
I feel every dog firstly takes something. Like he's taking something on you himself. I feel it's not about black dogs. I think everything. But do you believe in that? आपने सुना होगा ये कि जो काले कुत्तों को लोग खाना भी खिलाते हैं कुछ करते हैं ना कि
कालों को like Punch when she had her pup.
हाँ.
Her firstborn was black.
अच्छा.
And my cousin took him.
अच्छा.
Saying कि black शुभ माने जाते हैं whatever. So he was very categorical कि मेरे को black ही चाहिए. तो वो ले गया था. तो that's when I got to know. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था.
But आप ये मानते हो कि dogs आपका कुछ ले लेते हैं अपने ऊपर something coming on the family?
मेरे को किसी friend ने बोला है ये recently. Because my dog, she was perfectly fine and then she had a fall, Punch, and she tore her ACL. And my friend told me इसने तेरी injury ली है because you get injured all the time.
Yes.
तेरी gym में कोई injury ने अपने माथे ले ली है.
मैं बता रही हूँ.
So I've been telling her give it back. I'll handle it. तू ठीक हो जा. Give it back. मैं बड़ी रोज उसके चक्कर काटती हूँ. तू मुझे वापस दे ये injury.
No, नीति मतलब I don't know. But I'd like to believe it because हमारा भी like when Polo fell sick, we had gone actually. My husband is a Sinarian, so we'd gone to Sinar to his founders. और हम वहाँ बस 1 night के लिए गए थे. अगले दिन हम वापस आ रहे थे. And रात को कुछ मेरे कोई हस्बैंड की इनके ओल्ड सिनारियंस की कोई पार्टी थी. So me and the girls, we didn't go. We were in the hotel only. My husband was going to the party. And he got back, like I also got worried कि बड़ा late हो गया, 2 बजे I was looking at the phone, where's he, phone लग नहीं रहा था, whatever. Then he came back around 2:30 and he said, you know what happened today? ऐसे क्या? He said मेरी ना गाड़ी जो जहाँ वो, and you know how hills are ना, कसौली पूरा ऐसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा सा parking था उनका कहीं पे. He said जो parking मैंने करी हुई थी ना अंधेरे में, जब मैं आया मैं reverse करा कुछ तो मेरी गाड़ी, मेरा पहिया पहाड़ी के नीचे, one पहिया was off. Pitch dark, you know how it is. There are no street lights, there is no nothing. He said I knew कि पहिया नीचे चला गया. He said now I didn't know कि अब मैं गाड़ी से निकलूं कि मैं क्या क्योंकि बैलेंस. He said for 2 minutes I just waited. मैंने हॉर्न बजाया. He said luckily कुछ लोगों के ड्राइवर्स थे. So they came and they saw. He said, "साहब आप गाड़ी से मत निकलना क्योंकि it's very
जाओगे,
dicey."
correct.
So then उन्होंने किसी तरह मतलब he said आप मतलब दरवाजा ऐसे रखो कि कुछ हुआ तो छलांग मारना,
Oh my
मगर
God.
गाड़ी से मत निकलना. We'll do something. So then उन्होंने वो tie वाई करके they pulled the car. Okay. And next मुझे अभी goosebumps हो रहे हैं कहते हुए. Next morning we came back and Polo was obviously behind and we had left someone with him. He said कि रात के 2:30 बजे से पोलो कांप रहा है. Oh, and when I walked in na, and the first thing the buddy told us, he said, "Madam, पोलो ना रात के 2:30 बजे से बहुत कांप रहा है. ये मुझे लग रहा है ठीक नहीं है, इसने खाना भी नहीं खाया सुबह." My heart only sank. I said, "This is this."
Yeah.
I told Aman, I said,
You
"Aman,
never know,
something
man.
has happened," and we took him to the doctor. And literally within 3 days he died. And मतलब उस दिन से वो मेरे को तो हो गया कि he took that whole thing, he took it on him. It was very scary. तो पहले मैं इतना believe नहीं करती थी, but I don't know, black dog or whatever, but dogs I feel in general there's something, कुछ तो है, तो पता नहीं. चलो anyway, बहुत emotional बातें हो गई, हम ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे.
Man.
So, चलो ठीक है. I think it's been a lovely conversation, and let me get on to some fun side of it.
Yeah.
So I usually put out some questions, on my Instagram from the audience. मैंने कहा चलो audience से भी पूछते हैं what they feel. So there are some questions. Okay, should pets be spoiled or disciplined?
Both.
है ना?
Like kids.
हाँ, अपने लिए spoil, लेकिन जब गेस्ट आए तो फिर डिसिप्लिन होने चाहिए थोड़े से. करेक्ट है ना? जिनको हमने जन्मा वो हमारे पेट से जलते हैं, उनका क्या करें?
Train them to learn enough.
Accept the pet. That's a good one. Oh, train them. ये देखो, why do we have to pick up dog poop? ये भी लोग भेज रहे हैं.
बच्चों की नैपी भी तो साफ करते हो ना सर.
Exactly. तो फिर डॉगी का भी उठाओ. करेक्ट. एंड इफ यू वांट कि सोसाइटी वाले और सब लोग डॉग्स को एक्सेप्ट करें, ऑफ कोर्स, फॉर एवरीथिंग. 3 things one should consider before adopting a pet or getting a pet for the first time.
देखो, you think so much before having a child, right?
Yeah.
And I think anybody who keeps a pet, adopts or buys a pet or whatever, just decide in your head that this person is going to be permanent in your life. It is a responsibility. Please don't leave them on the road or with some shelter. It breaks their hearts.
Yeah.
I have the worst possible thing in my heart for people who abandon their pets on the road. Like, भगवान की मार लगे इन लोगों को. सीरियसली दिल से ये बद्दुआ दे रही हूँ मैं, इनको भगवान की मार लगे. क्योंकि कोई अगर आपको बहुत ही गंदी मजबूरी है जिसकी वजह से you've left your pet, at least make sure that pet is okay. Leave it with a shelter or something. Firstly, never keep a pet if you think at some point you're gonna, like, people will take, अरे कितना क्यूट है, जैसे ही बड़ा हो गया, अरे ये तो काटते हैं बड़े, खाना खाते हैं. Why can't you think of these things before?
Why can't you study the whole thing
I think
that's the worst thing. I agree.
Even more important than the thought process that goes into having a baby, there should be a thought process before you take a pet.
Yes, I agree with you, and that's the worst thing. I think COVID में हमने कितने cases ऐसे देखे थे.
Just abandoned.
बड़े dogs को भी लोग कि अब manage नहीं हो रहा, कि maids नहीं आ रही, कि abandon. मैं क्या, how can you do that?
Horrible.
How can you do that?
Seriously.
ऐसे सड़कों पे लोग छोड़ गए थे. It was it's heartbreaking. I agree. Please take an informed decision, just like you take when you have your own babies. It's the same thing. बच्चा ही है यार.
Yeah, I mean, if in hard times you won't abandon your spouse or your child, then don't abandon your pet either. Yeah.
Absolutely.
They are family, and if you can't think of them as family, don't keep
them.
Then
don't keep them. I agree. There is no two way about it. They are absolutely family. What is the funniest thing or the most embarrassing thing your pet may have done in front of guests?
Socks again.
Every time you say socks, na, मैं पहले socks आते हैं कि socks उठा के भाग गया या socks.
So we had some very formal guests, these very serious bank types who came home, and there's this one guy whose flight had landed early. So my husband wasn't home yet, and I was quickly getting ready, and suddenly the doorbell rings, and this guy said, "I have arrived, like a guest. Sorry, my flight landed. I didn't know where else to go. तो मैं आपके पास आ गया हूँ." मैं कहा, "No problem." Socks comes running from the room and presents him with my bra.
Free undergarments in the house.
And I think
irrespective of the fact fact you're a male or a female.
I think he was more embarrassed than I was.
Of course.
Because so I would have just cracked a joke saying, no, he's not that fat. But I would have done anything. But like
The guest was like,
and
बोल भी नहीं
she's, you know how he's trying to be all like, like उसने देखा नहीं, ignore कर दिया, बात कर रहा. So she just clamped down his knee and like paw ले लेना.
That is very embarrassing. Very super embarrassing story के manual में हम उसे डाल सकते हैं. Imagine वो जबरदस्ती दे रहा है कि ले लो, try it, might fit you.
और पता मेरा अच्छा वाला ब्रा भी नहीं था. मतलब एटलीस्ट कोई सुंदर वाला ला दे तो थोड़ी मेरी इज्जत रह जाती.
2 साल पुराना.
तो वंस जो घर पे आप पहनोगे कभी ना.
Why didn't you get the lacy one?
Yeah.
That's very embarrassing. Good, I'll give you first prize for that. All right, ये किसी prospective pet parent ने बोला है any book or manual that pet parents can read? Do you know? I don't think so.
I've never read one. I'm sure there are, but there are manuals out there.
I'm sure.
There
And I'm
are.
sure now everything is available on Google.
Yeah.
है ना? Yeah. How do you choose the right vet?
Oh yeah. So word of mouth. Frankly, for me, it has been word of mouth. I had a good vet, but
I agree.
my issue was that they have to be communicative, and I understand they also like.
Yeah.
Doctors की life tough होती है because anytime someone's sick, you call them at any time, so they don't have their own time to themselves. But this current vet for my dogs, he will always answer my phone because I only call when like I'm in a panic. And or he'll at least respond on a text कि ये दवाई दे दो अभी के लिए. So
that's why I also feel I've seen vets who don't even touch the pet. I feel
no, not cool.
Not cool
Not
at all.
cool.
I mean, you have to touch. I mean, you're telling him कि भैया यहाँ कुछ है, and you'll have to, explore and see.
Yeah.
Because sometimes a lump which is internal, but you can't make out what it is.
No. You can't not
and he said,
touch.
हाँ, ऐसे करके something he said. I said he's not even touched the pet. So I was like, I'm not, getting after him again. So okay, that was fun, and now I move to the last section, which is a rapid fire. So, and in this rapid fire. We have to choose a winner, and since you're the only one, you're always the winner.
My kind of show, guys. My kind of show.
You'll get the prize anyway. But so here we go with. I'm sure I'm expecting some quirky answers here.
No
Dog
pressure.
or cat?
Dog.
Okay. Dog or child?
Dog.
Okay, you're nice. The childless dog woman.
Let me answer one more. Dog or husband? Dog.
Next question. I put it there. Good, well done. Dog or husband was the next question. Neeti Palta, I'm proud of you. My kind of woman.
राहुल पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास. Seriously, कॉमेडी नहीं चल रही.
राहुल will be like डॉगी और कुत्ते और तुम खुद लेकर बाहर टेंट लगा लो.
नहीं पर उसे पता है. So
उसे पता है.
मुझे पता है.
Yeah, I know. ठीक है, चलेगा. हम ऐसे ही. If your dog could say one sentence to you, what would it be?
Where's my ball?
So
Panga's
sweet.
obsessive.
And और अगर socks होती तो?
I ate your food.
Yeah, I guess. We've heard all the food eating story. Have you been irritated with your guests? Some guests who's not liked your dogs at all? Like, some guests जो होते हैं ना कि आप ऐसे करिए. कई guests वो बात भी ऐसे अजीब से करेंगे.
I've had somebody say कुत्ता ही तो है.
Oh.
We are no longer friends. It's very simple, yaar. Anybody who thinks like that can't be my friend. You can be like scared of dogs. You cannot like dogs, but you can't talk to me like that. I'm sorry.
Call मेरा कुत्ता कुत्ता.
नहीं मेरा कुत्ता है. I call them कुत्ता myself. मैं कमीने कुत्ते सब बोलती हूँ.
Yeah, but मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
You call him कुत्ता, not, but you can't say कुत्ता ही तो है. Like your dog's passed. It's a loss. कुत्ता ही तो है. I want to break something of his and say टांग ही तो है.
That is very, very.
Could not understand
so
the grieving.
insensitive.
Could not understand me not going anywhere and locking myself in my house. Could not. And just said, "Kutta hi to hai."
That is the most unsensitive thing that anyone can tell any pet lover.
Correct.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you. Have you ever tried giving alcohol to your pets?
Guilty. So, look, I know it's bad for them. Don't get after me. Okay. It's just that Punch is a Frenchie and she loves beer. I don't give her that much.
Let me give him some punch.
No, every time I would open the, like a pint, usko awaaz aati thi, talk, and she would just come. She would just come. So मैं एक drop उसके लिए रखती थी. She would lap it up. She loved it. But then more and more you read about कि एक drop भी उनके लिए बुरी है. So I've stopped giving. But now I open my cans and my thing बहुत ध्यान से कि उसको सुनाई ना दे.
सुलाने के लिए जैसे बच्चों को दे देते हैं पहले.
नहीं. Just because she liked it so much. She just liked it so much.
She would have it कप करके.
हाँ, उसको इतनी सी मैंने दी थी.
ऐसे मजे से पी लेती थी.
She would want more. उसको वो बॉटल ओपनिंग साउंड आके ऐसे बैठ जाती थी कि दे भाई.
उसके बाद आपने करा था वो गजनी वॉक वाला वीडियो. Were you both under intoxication?
नहीं, that was me trying to break a trend and then Panga walked better than me. He won.
So cute. That video was so cute. What is the strangest thing that your pet likes to eat? I think beer only or something else?
Bro, there are like Panga eats makhis.
Wow. ऐसे पकड़ लेता है?
वो हाँ मैं Panga makhi and then you'll try and take it off him. Socks once ate a whole lizard. It was very frightening. She just thought it moved and she swallowed a whole lizard. Then I panicked, called the vet. He's like, उसको salt water पिलाओ to make them. तो जबरदस्ती salt water पिलाया. Then she wouldn't throw up and then she kept feeling ill and she kept giving me these looks कि क्या किया मेरे साथ. And the whole time I was awake saying इसको कुछ हो ना जाए.
But she survived.
She survived and I don't know because I checked all her poop में उसकी lizard ही नहीं दिखी.
Lizard?
I really don't know what the heck she did with that lizard.
Very interesting, very brave of her, I must say that.
God.
Well, my dog, I think the funniest thing I find that he loves eating is मक्की की रोटी. So I keep saying, ऐसे असली जट dog है. हमारे घर में मक्की की रोटी बन रही हो नीति, वो चिकन से ज्यादा प्यार है उसको. वो मतलब किचन में आएगा ऐसे पैर मेरे ऐसे मारेगा, स्लैब के ऊपर ऐसे स्मेल करेगा. एंड वो होता है ना मक्की की रोटी बनाओ तो पहली रोटी हमेशा थोड़ी खराब बनती है. बट ही इज लाइक डोंट गिव मी दिस खराब रोटी. ही विल एक्चुअली लुक एट इट लाइक नो मेक अ फ्रेश वन फॉर मी. शाबाश. एंड बड़े मजे से खाता है मक्की की रोटी. बड़ा मजा आता है उसको देख के.
फ्रूट खाती थी.
ओह हां फ्रूट.
बट ऐसे दो तो नहीं खाती थी.
छील के काट के
ना उसको छील के काट के जैसे मेरा फ्रूट है फिर भी ऐसे दे दो नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज़ उसने मेरे को देखा मैं फोक से खा रही हूं. सो आई हैव अ वीडियो कि मैं उसको फोक से दे रही हूं तो अपना
डेलिकेटली. हां ह्यूमंस वाली आदत है. शक्ल पे मिलने नहीं लग जाती.
आई होप सो क्योंकि शी वाज वेरी गुड लुकिंग.
So sweet. My daughters do that with my dog. मम्मा देखो हमारी शक्ल मिलती है ना. मैं क्या हाँ लेकिन अभी भी इतने सुंदर नहीं हुए तुम. Okay, if you could trade places with your pet one day and do what they do, what would you do?
Oh, I would irritate the hell out of them like they irritate me. वो जैसे ही सोने लगेंगे I'll start licking my paws. I will eat their food. I will demand to be played with and I will demand bribes and I will demand a new toy every day like Panga does.
So cute.
थोड़ी देर खेलेगा फिर छोड़ देगा. अब एक और दे दो. हो गया ये तो. Every day. अरे I found myself saying to him what my mom used to say to me. Panga पैसे क्या पेड़ पे उगते हैं? I have turned into my mother. I actually said it. उसको पूरा समझाया मैंने. He's like वो ठीक है पर नया टॉय का है.
नया टॉय का. Yeah. Oh, and कितना and they lose the dog. वो आधे तो गुम ही हो जाते हैं. If there is one person you wouldn't mind that your dog bites, who would it be? And why?
Actually, I would have said my neighbor, but I'm worried that my dog will get infected.
Neeti, if your neighbor hears this.
She's in one of my sets too.
Nice, and this is going online too.
Okay.
I'll put this
it's
as a
the
reel.
truth.
I'll put this as a reel and tag you.
It is the truth.
ठीक है. Good one. Well done, Neeti Palta. You have done very well.
Thank you. What do I win? What do I win?
Yes.
Namak Para. I win a Namak
Yeah,
Para.
you win the Namak Para. Yeah, you can read that too. And you win a little
I love
gift from my
dragonflies.
side. Yes.
Thank you.
That's a logo मैंने अपना बनाया है पता है?
हैं?
हाँ. अच्छा.
What do you call yourself?
Dragonfly.
Titli.
लंबी तितली.
Very nice. It makes sense. This makes sense.
Yes. लंबी तितली. And those are little paintings, my prints of my paintings for you.
Oh,
for
my
your
God.
home. I know कि आपके घर में भी renovation चलता रहता है.
How
but this is
cool. मैं show. Oh wow.
I'm glad you like them. है ना? ये मैं अपना PR करती रहती हूँ साथ-साथ. कि मैं
चीकू.
मैं कॉफी विद करण की तरह मैं भी गिफ्ट हैम्पर देती हूँ.
And संतरे.
माल्टे एंड चीकू.
Please censor this. She might be saying hidden things to me right now.
Oh no. Yes, once a comedian, always a comedian.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. You're most welcome, Neeti. And thank you so much for coming on this podcast. And I couldn't have done this conversation with anyone else. I know that you love your pets so much. तो दिल से निकल के बातें आई बाहर, है ना? बड़ा मजा आता है. बच्चे ही तो हैं हमारे.
मेरे को लगा था मैं इस पॉडकास्ट के लिए लेट होंगी because I was trying to get dog hair off my dress.
Oh, so cute. I actually one point thought कि हम अपना एक पेट लेके आ जाएं, but फिर मैंने कहा स्टूडियो वाले शायद परमिट ना करें और इसके बाद कोई पॉडकास्ट ना हो.
He's a dog person too.
Oh, great. We should have actually. चलो एक और करेंगे अपने pets के साथ.
I have done podcasts with like Akash Mehta and Panga jumped into my lap in the middle of the podcast.
So sweet.
Nothing can be done about it.
So
उसको
cute.
गोदी दिखेगी वो घुसेगा.
है ना? So cute. चलो ऐसे ही आपके पेट्स फलते फूलते रहें और आप भी प्रोग्रेस करते रहें.
फुलाना मत मुझे.
Thank you so much for
Thank
coming,
you.
Neeti. It was such a joy. And always love talking to you. And today I had even more fun because it was about our little fur babies. So God bless our little fur babies with long and healthy life and us also.
Thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
Woof to you too.
Woof to you too. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, firstly, subscribe to my channel. Comments में बताना कि आपको क्या बातें अच्छी लगी, नीति के कौन से आंसर्स अच्छे लगे और कौन से नहीं अच्छे लगे. And do let me know and keep watching for more. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. रात भर क्यों जागते हो, फोन में क्यों झांकते हो, काम से भाग के तुम गेट को लांघते हो. Dating apps, Google Maps, यो का लेटेस्ट रैप, सुशी की रेसिपी करती मैनेज कैसे भी. Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. बस पासवर्ड याद नहीं रहता.